Alright, so today we are flex fueling my Z06. Here you go. What the fuck? It actually fucking $4 a gallon. Alright. She's a little dirty, but we got the tire for it. We're gonna go on the dyno right now, load her up, do some tuning, and see how much power she'll make. The guy wanna get gap. Alright, so I got the Corvette on the dyno now. We got the Ape flex fuel kit installed. It's nice and looking smooth, looks very OEM. Got the Ape flex fuel kit. This car only has headers, exhaust, and gatless with the AFE intake. So let's see what she does. Gonna start tuning it now. Actually, I'm gonna do a baseline first. If it's a gallon, just put like half a gallon in, because we only hit 21 degrees of timing, and the fuel was at E31. Went up to E36. Actually, just put barely a little bit more, because we're like right at the limit of the fuel system. The 637 and 696.
Yeah, it's right over a gallon.
Huh?
Right over a gallon.
Okay, put half of it.
Half of it?
Yeah, just put half of it more, and we should be good there. Fucking the screen got all dirty. The piston's gonna hit you in the head.
I can do there.
No, surprisingly no. My friend's nitromethane. Yeah, one time he shot a rod and it hit the wall over there.
You can see the hole right there.
Yeah, but it was making like 700 horsepower almost. Motor. Alright, there we have it. Just finished tuning my Z06 after installing the Ape Flex fuel kit. She's ready to go. Alright, so let's look at the graph here. So let's get rid of the actual second one. Get the first one here. So this car, when let's get rid of the orange line. Orange, and then let's get rid of the pink line. So right here, the top end here is when Matton had this car. When I first tuned it, I don't think he had headers on it. He had intake and exhaust, if I believe, and it made 578 to the wheels. Then he put headers on it, catless, and I think I did like a low straight tune or whatever, but top end actually lost some power. It was going very rich, and it was because of the headers, the knock control was taking away a lot of timing, so it was pulling 9 degrees of timing up top. So it was made a little bit more power down low, but then it was pulling timing up top. After we put ethanol on it and I started tuning, you can see here the power started coming in, and ended up actually from today, which was a peak power of 564. If I get rid of his old graphs. So yeah, actually the red line is the old graph. The green line is today on pump gas, and the gray line is the E85. This is about E34, and this is about E38. So we're getting closer to the fuel system. I think it's got maybe 10-15 horsepower into it. The torque went up to 719 torque. So it's got a nice healthy horsepower. Let's see. This car actually, last time when it made 578 to the wheels, it actually ran 6.9 in the 8th mile at Verona. So I'm curious to see what it will run. when I actually run it now with 650 horsepower. So today, top end, we gained about, let's see here. So yeah, we went from 553 to 644. So we almost gained 90 horsepower by just E85 up top. So this thing should be a monster now. There you go. The Flex Fuel comes with a nice little pamphlet. Got instructions in here. You can see the app. It displays ethanol content, and then you can also add Y-band. You can add boost gauge, whatever you want. The box here, that's the GM multi-flex fuel kit. And then there you go. She is ready. Do launch control, you put it in track mode, switch the screen, hit this twice.